in regards to what I posted earlier about the serial killer dad. On 3/14, the Mendocino County Sheriff's Office learned about a social media post where the subject alleged her father is a serial killer. The social media post states the alleged serial killer is John Charles Trefil. The situation was reported to Mendocino County Sheriff's Office in January of 2023 after Trefil's daughter reported to other local and regional law enforcement of her suspicions that her father is a serial killer. Based on the referrals from other law enforcement agencies, Mendocino County Sheriff's detectives spoke with an advocate of Trefil's daughter, who assisted in interviewing Trefil about his alleged crimes. Recordings, scanned journals, and other investigative materials were shared with the sheriff's office, who conducted investigations into the claims. Investigators met with Trefil's daughter in February of 23, who said her father spoke about murdering several people from the 70s through the 90s. The daughter also provided a lengthy written statement to detectives, which was retained as evidence. As Trefil, his daughter, and the advocate spent time together, Trefil's daughter said her father spoke about these killings, and the daughter began researching unsolved murders in Mendocino County. The daughter suspected her father was responsible for a murder in the 70s, which she specifically questioned her father about. Per the daughter, he admitted to the unsolved murder in Mendocino County in the 70s. Detectives also obtained pictures, copies of journal entries, recordings from the meetings between Trefil, his daughter, and the advocate. To further investigate the unsolved murder from the 70s, Mendocino County detectives researched that case and compared the information provided by Trefil's daughter to the facts of the case. Detectives learned there were numerous evidentiary items that were submitted for DNA analysis in 2006 to the Department of Justice, which resulted in an unknown male DNA source from analyzed evidence. Detective determined that there were some consistencies in the information provided by Trefil's daughter in the unsolved homicide case from the 70s, so they sought a warrant to obtain Trefil's DNA for comparison. As of May of 2023, the search warrant was authorized by a judge in Mendocino County to obtain DNA sample from Trefil for comparison to the DNA profile for the evidence items in the unsolved homicide from the 70s. The DNA sample from Trefil was submitted to the California Department of Justice Bureau of Forensic Services and ultimately uploaded to CODIS. In 2023, the Mendocino County Sheriff's Office received reports from California Department of Justice regarding the comparison. Trefil's DNA did not match the unknown male contributor of DNA from the unsolved 1970s murder. Mendocino County Sheriff's Office was also informed by the DOJ that Trefil's DNA profile was uploaded into CODIS for routine and regular comparison to DNA profiles uploaded from unsolved cases. As of the publication of this release, the Mendocino County Sheriff's Office has never been informed of Trefil's DNA profile being a match or potential match to any evidentiary items submitted to CODIS. Information from the daughter also alleged her father buried numerous people that he murdered at a cabin in Campeche, California. The Mendocino County Sheriff's Office searched the property and cabin, but were unable to locate any evidence to substantiate these claims or of possible human remains or burial sites. Excuse me. The Mendocino County Sheriff's Office is aware that Trefil's daughter referenced other killers identified by her father, but these inferences were not substantiated by detectives. The Sheriff's Office has been unable to substantiate the claims of other individuals alleged to be serial killers or their involvement with the homicides in Mendocino County. The Sheriff's Office has examined the scanned copies of the diaries and journals, but did not locate any express confessions to any murders. The daughter informed the Sheriff's Office she submitted her DNA and his DNA to genealogical ancestry sites, but the office has never been informed of investigative leads from these efforts. The Sheriff's Office has and will continue to investigate crimes associated with Trefil or allegations that he was a serial killer in Mendocino County. The Sheriff's Office has not interviewed Trefil directly regarding the allegations due to his fragile medical state and information provided by his family that he will not cooperate with law enforcement. When legally justified and supported by probable cause, the Mendocino County Sheriff's Office will continue to investigate this matter. Anyone with information into the investigation, contact Mendocino County Sheriff's Office. Now, she has posted some other posts, but we're going to be catching up on the past posts, and those will be up tonight. But I am glad that they acknowledged this. At least they did acknowledge it, and she is telling the truth that she did submit all this, but they've gotten no hits on the DNA. So where does that leave us?